Keep running costs to a minimum with the impressive A++ energy rating of this integrated washing machine from Beko. With a daily quick program, you can wash a full 7-kilogram load in just 28 minutes. No more waiting for your laundry. You can save time and money with the speedy wash cycle. Fast Plus function brings down program durations by up to 55% through increased drum movements and optimised temperature control. Great when you're in a hurry, you can enjoy faster cleaning and have your clothes ready to wear again in no time. The Drum Clean program neutralises bacteria that gathers inside the drum with a scorching clean at 70 degrees Celsius. You can be sure that your clothes are being washed in a hygienic environment with a spotless interior at the touch of a button. Spend less time doing laundry and more time on the things that matter with this ultra-convenient integrated washing machine from Beko.